Hello and welcome to CHINT booth at SNEC PV Power Expo 2023. As you know, SNEC is one of the biggest international PV trade shows with incomparable influence in China, in Asia, and even in the world. This year, there are over 2,800 exhibiting companies from 95 countries and regions. CHINT, as a global leading smart energy solution provider, our business network covers more than 140 countries and regions worldwide in areas of low voltage, power transmission and distribution, smart metering, new energy, and more. In the field of new energy, we are a total PV solution provider and manufacturer. This time, we are presenting the latest innovations in residential PV solutions, commercial and industrial solar storage solutions, and a complete set of OEM components for the new energy industry. And our theme for this exhibition is digital decarbonization for a green world. As you see, our booth design reflects this theme, conveying our vision to shape a future life of carbon neutrality. As you see, the flowing lights represent CHINT people who are not bound by conventions and are brave enough to break through barriers. The booth is accompanied with naked eye 3D show, creating a futuristic atmosphere that showcases the advancement in energy technology. You must be very excited and cannot wait to see what's inside. Let's go and have a look. First, we come to the CHINT New Energy Sector Introduction area, and we are very glad to have our colleague Michael to tell us more. Hi Michael, could you tell us more about CHINT New Energy Sector and what are the achievements that we've got in the past few years?
Okay, sure. Since our foundation in 2006, we have grown into a comprehensive renewable energy company with business covering the solar equipment manufacturing, such as the silicon raw material to solar cells, solar modules, and solar inverters, and also project development, investment, as well as EPC contraction. As of now, we are able to deliver to our customers solar farm solutions, energy storage, tri-generation, and multiple energy complementary solutions. Okay, let's get to the numbers. In 2022, our solar modules were exported to over 140 countries and regions, and the total capacity was more than 13.5 gigawatts. We also have constructed and invested over 11 gigawatts solar projects in 30 countries. Our PV residential is also serving to a great amount of customers.
Okay, could you tell us what is the total number of households which has installed CHINT residential PV solutions?
Okay, the number I think is gonna surprise you. Our PV residential is now generating electricity on the rooftops of over 1 million households in the world, which is the number one in the world. At the same time, we are also offering operation and maintenance services to over 18 gigawatts renewable energy project in the world. Here are some photos of the cases we did. The first one is a 550 megawatt offshore PV project in China. The second one is a PV plus aquaculture project of the same capacity. The third one is 103 megawatts project we did in Netherlands. Also, we have abundant track records and experience in the aquaculture, agrivoltaic, and desertification control practice. The last photo here is the Kubuqi project we did in the desert of northern China. This project features a plan of deserted land governance and reglementation, which was highly appraised by the United Nations Industrial Development Organization and the UNCCD. All what we do comes from the faith that we had since the very beginning. The world needs more green energy, and we want to shape the future of carbon neutrality with each of you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Michael. As you know, solar panels play a crucial role in photovoltaic solutions. And this year, we have released a new version of solar panels, and the name is Astro N7. And that is our colleague AJ who tell us more. Let's go. Hi, AJ.
Hi.
Could you give us more information about the key features and advantages of this new product?
Of course. Actually, this is our new latest product called Extra N7. It has a main advantage that is high power, high module efficiency, high reliability, and high power generation per watt, and lower core BOS and lower LCOE. And it adopts the latest TOPCon 3.0 technology and combining the rectangular wafer, which makes wafer per module has higher power compared to the last generation N5, almost 30 watt per higher. And you can see per module has higher module efficiency. The power, so the module efficiency is higher. And with our technology, combining the module technology with the optimize frame design and smooth mass bar, and the technology using high transmitted glass, and we also use the reflective film to improve the reliability to make sure the module has good mechanical performance to suit all the different projects needs. And also it is TOPCon technology. It has all the advantages of TOPCon technology. It has lower LID, and it has lower temperature coefficient, and it has lower operating temperature. Makes it also has better warranty, so makes it has a higher generation per square watt. And with all the advantages, it has lower BOS and LCOE, and it can suit all the large amount of projects and also the big commercial and industry projects. Also, we have also smaller ones suited for the rooftop project. Is a little bit smaller. It's also available. We call the Extra NS. That's all for today. Yeah.
Apart from solar panels, actually CHINT has an integrated solution of wind, solar, storage energy storage, and EV charging. Let's go and discover the total solution with our colleague Dave. Hi Dave.
Hi Selina.
Can you introduce the integrated solution of wind, solar, energy storage, and EV charging?
No problem. Okay. This top-level tool map explains the integrated solution of solar, wind, EV charging, and energy storage. On the left-hand side is the centralized solution of renewable energy generation. This is the wind turbine, ground-mount solar system. They are connected to an inverter. This inverter converts the DC power to AC power. After the inverter is the LV transformer. The transformer will step up the voltage from the low voltage to high voltage. The transformer will connect to the main ring unit, which main unit will act as a breaker. After the ring unit, it goes to the HV transformer. This HV transformer will set up to the higher level of the voltage. Then connect to the GIS. After GIS, the renewable energy will be injected to the power grid. On this right-hand side is the called distributed solar solution. The distributed solar solution means the solar panels are installed on the rooftops of the residential and the commercial buildings. Commercial buildings including the CII, commercial and industrial. Solar panels on the rooftop are connected to the inverter. This inverter, the function is similar to the ground mount system. It converts the DC power to AC power. The other inverter is connected to this AC switchgear, and AC switchgear will connect to the power grid. It will interface with the power grid. Besides the whole solar solution, CHINT can also provide the EV charging solution.
May I know what is the function of this container?
That is a great question. This container is called the energy storage solution. Energy storage solution normally will be installed at the power grid side. The function is to stabilize the frequency of power grid. For example, if there is a sudden increment of the solar power generation, or there is a sudden decrease on the load side, this energy storage, it will stabilize the frequency, and it will also meet the demand from the load side. Normally, the SVG is installed together with the big energy storage solution. It will function to compensate the reactive power. So with the SVG installed in the system, the power quality of the whole renewable energy will be improved. You maybe ask me, how do we interface with all these electrical equipment, right, Selena? Yeah. The way we are using is called the IoT, Internet of Things. So all the data from the electrical devices are collected by this monitoring system. The monitoring system will send data to the CHINT cloud through an internet gateway. We have developed an operation and maintenance platform on this CHINT cloud. So if there is any malfunction on any of the devices, the intelligent OIM platform, it will recognize in the first place and notify the maintenance team for fast response. So you can see with all of these solutions, the hardware and the software, we have linked with solar, wind turbine, energy storage, and EV charges, so that we can realize the multi-energy compensation to form a whole system and make it work more efficient. For CHINT, we can know not only to supply all these equipments, and also we can design and build. We will make the energy, we are making the power supply more efficient, more greener, more safer. And this is our corporate mission. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you, Dave. These are only part of the highlights of our demonstration at Hall W1, booth number 55560. If you want to know more, you are warmly welcome to visit our booth in person. Our team are glad to welcome you and communicate with you. Next, we will go and discover CHINT solar storage solution at Hall N5, booth number 550. Let's go. Okay, here we arrive at N5. This is the second booth of CHINT. Here we will explore the solar storage solutions and the application of its components for the renewable energy. Okay, as you can see, there are so many inverters displayed on this board, which can be used in commercial and industrial residential PV solutions. Let's invite our colleague Sarah to give a detailed introduction of the products and the solutions.
Hello everyone, I'm Sarah Zhang. Here is a commercial and industry solar storage solution. Here is our new product, 125 kilowatt. And this product have the 12 MPPT, and it have the maximum. The output voltage is 400 volt and support 1.1 times long-term overload. The maximum output power can reach 132 kilowatt. At the same time, the device also has two types, and 9 MPPT and 12 MPPT, which can adapt to various complex environment. In terms of end storage product, CHINT is 15.5 kilowatt and PCS and 239 kilowatt hours battery system as a modular, and the customers can design according to their requirement. And here is our residential PV storage solutions. Here we are. We have the single phase product, the power rate from the 3 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt, and we also have the 3 phase product from the 5 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt, and it's connected with the lithium battery system. For the 8 modular is 5 kilowatt hours. Here shows the 10 kilowatt hours, and the maximum capacity of the battery system can up to 60 kilowatt hours. And here is the residential PV solutions. For our residential, we have the 2 to 6 kilowatt single phase product and 7 to 10 kilowatt single phase product. And this product, we are use a big current input product. It can suitable for warranty of the solar modules. This is our new launch product, 40 kilowatts string inverter, which is used in the 3-phase applications. And for this product, it not only supports the 1.1 times long-term overload, and it have the more MPPT, so it can suitable for complex rooftops. Okay, that's all for the commercial and the industry and the residential solar solution. Let's go to see the ground large solar farm. Okay. Okay, here is our utility PV storage solution, and let's our colleagues Team C to do the introduce. Okay, thank you.
Hello, this is the CHINT Power Systems new liquid-cooled 5.1 megawatt energy storage solution. This is one rack. Each rack houses 425 kilowatt hours of electricity. Liquid cooled solution is 50% coolant and 50% water. The liquid cooled solution controls the temperature of the battery cells within 2 degrees centigrade, allowing the power energy to be better and long term in terms of lifetime. The liquid cooled energy solution is also safer for use, and the BMS system can put out any faults before accidents can happen. Over here, we have our residential PCS for the United States. This PCS system allows for a connection to a low voltage battery system. The split junction box design helps for easy access to maintenance and operation. System comes from 7.6 kilowatts all the way up to 12 kilowatts. And the power leaf system is accustomed to be over for 4 packs of batteries and be connected to 60 kilowatts of energy. 3 systems can be paralleled in operation, which allows for a total of 180 kilowatts of energy. Over here we have our ground utility storage inverter, ground utility PV inverter. The new 320 kilowatt PV inverter allows for distributed access, distributed PV in a utility setting. The 320 kilowatt utility inverter allows for higher current to go through each MPPT, allowing for a maximum of 45, which perfectly suits any types of modules. Over here we have our 5.1 storage solution PCS and battery pack. The PCS and transformer is integrated into one solution, and one PCS can go along with 2 utility storage containers. Lastly, we have our monitoring system. The monitoring system uses a top-down hierarchy solution, which allows for easy access for new additional owners. And if you want to delete old branches, the security allows the security is easier, allowing for easier control and easier maintenance of the system. Our monitoring system passes all the general guidelines of the EU Communications Council, which allows it to be used in all across the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Yixing. We have introduced the solutions and the new products. Next, let's go to the components for the new energy industry. Let's go. Hi, Grace. I see there is a big UL logo here on this board. I guess the products here are mainly used for North American market. Could you share with us the ideas of the products and the solutions on this board?
Yeah, of course. This is a system integrating energy storage system with photovoltaic system. It makes solar power dispatch stable, reduces stress on the grid, and optimize the system resources. In addition, the energy storage system can play an important role in reducing environmental impacts. However, in North America, the DC side circuit breakers and switches used in photovoltaic system and energy storage system, they need to be certified according to the standard UL 489 supplement SC and UL 489B. Realizing the importance, NORAC has developed and released a variety of products comply to UL 489B and UL 489 supplement SC. For example, this is our ASD25 DC circuit switch disconnector. It was certified according to UL 489B and UL 489 supplement SC. It's used in the central inverters to isolate the inverter from the solar field. And in the energy storage system, it can be used to protect battery racks. The maximum voltage can be up to 1,500 DC. The current rating is from 800 to 2,500 amperages. The short time withstand rating is 150 kA, which can ensure itself not to be damaged before the fault current is cleared in the circuit. Okay. For the AC side, we have A32 and A40. The AC circuit breaker. It is certified according to UL 1066. The maximum voltage is up to 800 VC, and the current rating is up to 4,000 amperages. Okay. This is another UL 489B certified product M1 PVS. It has been widely used in the DC combiner box to provide social circuits and overload protections in photovoltaic system. Okay, the last one is our B1B miniature circuit breaker. It complies to UL 489 supplement SC, and it can be used to protect the DC components for solar and battery. It keeps the equipment stable and reliable.
Okay, thank you, Grace, for the detailed introduction of our UL components and solutions. Actually, we have a wide range of products which are according to the IEC standard. Let's go this way and see. There are so many low voltage products displayed on this board. Could you share with us how these products are used in new energy solutions and why they are so important?
Yes, I think you are asking a very good questions because In the new energy systems, the application environment is sometimes very harsh. Sometimes it's used in the rooftop, or sometimes it's used in the middle of desert. Sometimes in on the hills. So the possibility of the risk of the fault could be happened. So it is a very very essential to use a low voltage product in such systems. As you can see, our product can be used in different type of solar generation system, like a string type, like a centralized type, and a distributed type. According to different customer need and different using scenario, customer can choose different products. Like this NMHV series product, it is used at the AC side of the inverter in the AC combiner box. And for example, this EXIR, it is used in the DC side of the inverter. And another important part of the new energy is the energy storage. Because in the recent year, the energy density of the battery cluster has increased sharply. So it is very important to protect the stability of the whole system. Our product have a fuse and a switch disconnector EX9ASD can protect the short circuit and overload happened in the system. And finally, as a wind power generation, we also have a product and a solution which can fit for the doubly feed wind power generation and direct drive wind power generation. And with more and more customer cooperation, we'll have more and more new products that can be applied in the wind power generation. Now let's move to the back side of this booth. And these panels illustrate the intelligent power distribution of multiple power sources. And in this system, the power source could be the public power source from the power distribution room, or it could be the solar energy from rooftop, and the load is an EV charger. And depending on the different tariff and demand, the battery cluster could be in charging state or in discharge state. So you can see the blue line has indicate the energy flow, and the green line indicates the data flows. All the useful data like voltage, current, energy, and the ambient temperature, ambient humidity, and solar illumination. All these useful information are collected by the gateway and further transferred to the cloud-based power management system, where all the useful data are analyzed and processed by the whole system. Therefore, the administrator can just open their laptop or the cell phone to view the whole system running. They can in this way they can improve their management efficiency and making the optimized decision. Thank you.
Okay, that's all for today's highlights of CHINT booth tour. Thank you all for joining with us. I believe you have gained valuable insights into our solutions and products. If you want to know more about our products and solutions, come and visit our booth. Our team are ready and will be very glad to communicate with you. See you!